This is a dumpster that people are throwing things away in right here. This is a dumpster people are throwing away, and it goes to the landfill. These guys harassed me. That young man assaulted me last time I was here and punched me in the face.
Not to be a bother, but can you give me the code? The penal code, the violation code.
Vehicle code is 27315D for the driver and 27315E for the passenger. You have a driver's license, sir?
I have an ID.
Thank you. Do you not have a driver's license, sir?
No, I have it suspended. Thanks to child support.
Okay.
Why did he need to see our ID though?
Because I'm doing an investigation.
Of what? What are you?
Criminal trespass.
For where?
Here.
Well, how? How is that? Where's the criminal trespass?
You have to have a no trespassing.
Actually, you don't.
Actually, you do. But
No, you don't.
where's the criminal trespass? We're actually.
This is actually private property.
You keep pointing over here like we're going over here.
All
You
here
keep
is
pointing at this.
private property.
This is a dumpster that people are throwing things away in right here. This is a dumpster people are throwing away, and it goes to the landfill. Like, we are not. What is it that we're doing wrong?
So, from what I understand from the call that I got, you guys were over here going through that other stuff.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not, and you know that.
No, I don't.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you heard that. There's a camera right there that says differently. These guys harassed me. That young man assaulted me last time I was here and punched me in the face.
He's on his way down here now.
Who is?
Officer Scott.
For what reason?
Because this is a city hall, not a county.
Yeah, I just don't understand why you guys would get called.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't understand why you'd get called. We're just getting things out of the dumpster.
Okay. All I want to do is identify you guys and let you be on your way.
But we haven't done anything wrong.
You're not going to stay back here because we want to avoid this.
Avoid, what do we want to avoid?
A confrontation between you and the guys over here.
I'm definitely trying to avoid that.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not being mean.
So
We're
they
not.
called it in, and that's why I'm here today.
So they call in because they're harassing us. Yeah, I got assaulted by him, and I don't know what happened with that. Roy wouldn't take my statement on it, and just.
Okay.
So, but what the fact of the matter is, we're not doing anything wrong, and I want that to be like, we're not doing anything. We're not hurting anyone.
I can't ask. Well, even the dumpster, I can't ask them about it, so.
You can look it up on Google. It's Zula and somewhere else is the same contact.
Okay.
We're
not in Missoula.
No, I know we're not. And in Thompson Falls, there's no law against going into a dumpster. We're in an easement right now because we're not trespassing. You know that. We haven't gone over there.
Whether or not you're in an easement for the power lines doesn't matter.
This is we have not been over there, and we don't go over there. There's so much in here that we would never go over. Like,
No, I'm sure.
what's up, Dustin?
Hey,
What's that?
Dustin.
Yeah. See, people rely on this, man. Like, there's nothing wrong with it, and there's a lot of good stuff getting thrown away.
Right, I know Dustin, though.
So what's that mean?
I don't know you. I know he doesn't have any warrants.
Just give him your ID.
You don't have any warrants, do you?
No, you just want to check me for warrants. So why is that? Just because I'm standing here?
Yep.
Really?
Because I had contact with you.
That doesn't mean you can check my ID.
Actually, it is.
How
Have you heard of Terry Stop?
This isn't a Terry stop.
It is.
So am I being detained right now?
Not yet.
Okay, then it's not
You're
a Terry
not
stop.
free to go, so I guess you are.
So that is being detained. Why is that? What crime have I committed, though?
Because I'm trying to figure it out.
Figure what out?
Do you have your ID or not?
What crime have I committed?
Do you have your ID
I do have an ID, yes.
Okay, let me see your ID. I'll run you, and then I'll get out of your hair. End of story.
That's not...
If
Okay.
you don't want to ID yourself, I'll put you in cuffs and we'll
For
take
what
you to
reason?
jail.
For what reason? Can you
Failure to ID.
And I can get taken to jail for failure ID in Montana?
Yep.
That's not true.
Yes, it is.
It's not true.
Yes, it is.
Kelly, come on. Let's be honest here.
You guys know if he has any warrants or not.
I'm going to show you.
I don't know either one of you.
I'm going to show you my ID right now, Sheila. Sorry. Oh, it's in my pocket. I'm not trying to cause problems. I'm just actually...
I've still got my other
Okay,
one.
that's fine.
Because last time anything ever happened, it was expired. Like 2 days, like a week or something.
Roy! Here you go, sir.
We'll be right back.
Thank you. That was under threat of duress or going to jail.
Yeah.
And this guy's allowed to look through the dumpster while we're getting... That's awesome, bro. Should we go see what they're talking about? What are you guys talking about? What for? Whoa, dude. Whoa. Having a hard day there, Roy?
Roy has harassed us for years.
Yeah. Don't feel very safe about this.
Got his house.
Don't feel safe about this. Good thing we got camera rolling though. So these cops are, we're here at this dumpster here. This is the donation spot. This is the dumpster. These people over here were harassing us. He assaulted me and he called these cops. Now they're here. She didn't say that we were over here, over there. The lady that called, no, they didn't. Yeah, they didn't say that. I just can't believe the shit they said. No. We just got illegally.
Okay.
I love that you paid me.
I'm not IDing.
All right. Yep.
There you know who you are, isn't it?
Yeah, he said he already knew who you were and let you do
You
it.
know who we are too. So stupid. Oh my God, you get out all the time.
Who?
What about my stuff I had?
Let's keep doing it. We can keep doing it. We can keep doing it, I believe. So now we're going to continue to look through this dumpster that is pretty good. They're trying to start news channels, 2 of them right now. So, still got these guys going on here. They know we're not doing anything wrong. They know it. I want that. I don't know. I feel under pressure. Under duress. Like, come on. Now they're figuring it out here. They're gonna yell at us. Maybe try to spank us and take away our birthday. Another lazy Susan if you wanted one.
You can't solicit a trespass either. You can't go try and
No, it's all wrong.
You don't like a kid.
Yeah. All right, here it comes. What's up, Mr. Kelly? Officer.
All right, here's your
Thank
ID.
you, sir.
You know you're suspended,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, I
Okay.
do, yeah.
There's your driver's license.
Yep, she's my driver.
All right. Just remember, stay out of there.
course,
If you have to drive, I'm going to clear out.
Awesome. Appreciate it, brother.
All right.
Stay safe out there, guys.
All right. Have a good night.
You too.
And just when you thought things couldn't get any more tense, here comes video 2. The officer starts pressing harder, and the driver's calm attitude is really put to the test. Will he stand his ground, or will things take an unexpected turn? Stay tuned till the very end. This one's full of twists you won't believe. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the officer handled this fairly, or did he cross the line?
I'm Officer Banks,
Okay.
California Highway Patrol, ID number 20142,
20142. And which department?
California Highway Patrol.
Okay, but which department around here?
San Andreas.
Okay. I actually work for you guys. Well, I work for the guy who owns the building.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do you have your ID with you, sir?
I do. I'm
say
not going
please.
to ID. I don't have to. Thank you, though. I appreciate it. Do you have a body cam?
I have a dash cam.
Okay. All right.
I think that's. I don't know which one is valid right
Okay. That's the registration. 1912, 4, 30, 22. Not to be a bother, but can you give me the code? The penal code, the violation code.
Vehicle code is 27315D for the driver and 27315E for the passenger.
But I'm not. Okay. That shows that the registration and the insurance are up to date.
Perfect. You have a driver's license, sir?
I have an ID.
Thank you. Do you not have a driver's license, sir?
No, I have it suspended. Thanks to child support.
Okay.
I can't go to work without a driver's license, so I'm kind of catch-22.
I got you.
So I have to work.
I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sitting here. I'm trying to go over to the parts place because we're in the middle of a job right now,
Okay.
and trying to get parts so we can go back and finish the job we're in the middle of.
Okay.
So that's where we're at right now.
Okay. Do you have your ID card with you, sir?
I do, but
Yeah,
I'm
say
not
that,
going
please.
to give it to you.
Will you please give me your name and date of birth?
I will not.
All right. Just hang tight. Be right back.
Thank you.
Come back. It's fine. I'll just when
After watching both videos, it's clear this encounter raises serious questions about fairness and authority. The driver remained respectful and calm, yet the officer seemed determined to push for compliance beyond what was necessary. This kind of interaction shows why it's so important for people to know their rights and for officers to respect them. What do you think? Was the officer doing his job by the book, or was this another example of overreach? Share your thoughts in the comments. I really want to hear your opinion. If you found this video eye-opening, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next breakdown of real-life encounters like this one.